for section.
Sorry,
This class is for which sections?
for all sections.
Yeah, I want class also.
For A to J, all
F1
sections.
and F2J.
Section A to J. Yeah. Because I think you have received the mail from the coordinator. She has sent the mail that you need to join in. You need to join. You need to join CC 01 RM channel. Because last time we had a problem uh, due to the an attendee problem. So we need to separate channel has been created for this class, that is the ECC 01 RM.
Sir, so do we leave the previous channel?
Which one?
Sir,
Previous
the
channel
previous
you
basic
gave.
electronics channel?
Previous channel no need to. Previous channel no need to join. Right now, whatever I am taking in this channel, the class will be taken. ECC
Sir,
01
Okay.
RM.
sir, you haven't shared with us the last class PDF and recording. So would you please do that today?
Yeah, that I will
Yes,
do.
sir.
That I will do. But have you received the mail from our coordinator that the
No,
class
sir.
will
No,
be
sir.
stopped?
No, sir, I have not
Sir,
received,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, received, sir.
Just
Yes, sir, I have
wait a
received
minute.
it.
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. You have to check the institute mail ID regularly. That is your identity. We will not check. We will not send any information to your personal mail ID. Institute
Sir,
mail ID will be the communication.
yes, no mail.
Sorry. Institute mail ID. If you check the institute mail ID, that will be the mail ID for correspondence. No personal Gmail ID or Yahoo or whatever the mail ID will not be generated.
So last mail was about orientation classes, bus.
No, sir, I have received that
No,
mail
sir.
from coordinator.
Yes, sir,
That
we have
has
received.
come
So
to
yes,
our
sir. The
institution
mail
Yes,
was
sir, I
I
have
sent.
hope
received the
so.
mail.
I
Sir, I
hope
have
so. He has
received
sent the
about the
mail
mail.
all the students. But
Yes,
you
sir, I
check
have
your
received
institute mail
mails
ID.
about this, but there is a particular problem because I cannot open a Google Meet account and some classes are being held by Google Meet, so there is a problem.
No, for basic electronics, I am talking about. I am not talking about other classes. Have you received the coordinator, UG coordinators, Professor Arpan Majumdar? I sent the mail regarding the channel formations or your where the class will be held, how it will be held. So already he has communicated. Okay.
Yes, sir,
Noted.
received.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, how did you know this channel? How you have entered into this?
The 01
Sir,
RM.
there was on the
ECC
calendar. It was
01
on the
RM in the
calendar.
calendar is also there. You have to join there.
Yes, sir. There is a mail where they have given the
Yes, there is a.
professor's name also with all the modules and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, yeah. Okay, 335 students have joined. I will take, I will download this attendance because 5 minutes I have given. So this will be the down attendance list. I'll- Okay, so let me start. So please mute, all of you, mute your microphone.
Sir, one thing, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please disable that reactions because some people spam the reactions and it becomes a distraction.
Which one?
Sir, that can you disallow the reactions in the meeting settings?
Emoji. Yes,
Reaction
sir. Yes, sir, that emoji
because some
emoji
people
reaction,
Yes,
spam
sir.
the
sir.
Those
reactions
emojis,
and
sir.
that becomes a distraction. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And also disable
Yes, sir, please
microphone.
disallow that.
Sir, can you mute all participants? That way it is easier for us. And also disable the reaction. These are all the reactions.
The emojis and participants
Can you
names
record the
also.
class, sir?
Which reactions are you?
Hmm.
Hope it is visible to all of you. Uh,
Yes, yes,
Let
sir.
me start. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine, fine. Please mute. Let me start the class. So we started the just introductory class on the basic electronics. So in the last class, we are discussing on the band gap, how the band gap is formed, and okay, and on the basis of the band gap, there is a classification of materials, metal insulator, and semiconductors. So those we have discussed in the last class. Uh, okay, and then we started with the Fermi-Dirac distributions because how the electrons are distributed in the allowed energy bands, which is given by the Fermi-Dirac distribution functions. F is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus exponential E minus A by kT. And from here we define the Fermi level energy, that is the energy level at which probability of finding an electron is half or 50%. So for that discussion we had in the last class. Okay. Uh, if you so if you consider this Fermi-Dirac distribution functions, uh, and you can if you plot the graph E versus because it's a function of energy, so E versus Fe, the probability of finding the electrons. Fe is nothing but the probability of finding an electron at the energy level E. That is the Fermi distributions. And if you see, this is the Fermi level position 1, okay, and suppose this is the Fermi level positions. So as you told, the Fermi level should be half, probability will be half, and the above the Fermi level, this is the your probability of finding the electrons, okay, and this is at suppose T at room temperatures, okay, we are considering, okay, and from this level to this level, that is the variation is the 3 kT, the transition region in E and EF from the Fe1 to Fe0 is 3 kT value. kT is the at room, if you consider the room temperature, kT value is 0.026 electron volt. Okay, that means 26 millivolt. Okay. When T tends to 0, yes, E is discontinuous at E is equal to EF, so you have the T is equal to 0 Kelvin. Okay, that Fermi level, it will be the discontinuous at this when T is equal to 0 Kelvin. Okay. So if we so what is actually what I am to the Fermi Dirac distribution says that probability that a quantum state at E is filled with a electron. Okay. Here, if you see the band diagram, if you consider this is the conduction band and this is the valence band, and suppose and the Fermi level position is here in the mid gap. If you intrinsic semiconductors where there is no doping, absolutely pure semiconductors. Okay. In that case, suppose this Fermi level position. So if we draw the same plot I have just in the previous diagram, so the Fermi level 0 to 1 value. Okay. So this is the value, and then it is decreasing. Okay. And here. So here, what is the probability? This is the probability of finding the electron in the conduction band. Suppose at room temperatures, electrons has jumped over from valence band to the conduction band. So this holes will be created here because electrons will be jumped from valence band to the conduction band. Okay, so holes will be there and electrons will be there. So what is the finding the electrons at this energy level, which is given by this Fermi distribution function. So above the Fermi level, you can see this is the Fermi level. So above the Fermi level, this is the probability of the finding the electrons at this energy level. Similarly, if I say the probability of finding electrons at energy E is Fe, then 1 minus Fe is the probability that a quantum state at E is empty. That means the holes. Okay. So these two things, one is the probability of finding on the electron at constant state.
Sir, can you go to the previous slide, suppose just for once? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this is the probability of finding an electron at Fe, and 1 minus Fe is the probability of finding a hole at energy level E. Okay. So this is the two concept we can get from the Fermi distribution functions. Now, if we know this, the probability, then next, what we have to, we need to carrier concentrations. Okay. Why we need carrier concentrations? Because yeah.
Sir, in the last slide, there was a slight break in the graph uh, of the distribution. There was a slight break in the graph. What does that signify?
Okay, this one, because this is the whatever the energy scale. If the energy scale is 6 electron volt, so there is no scale. This is not scaling. Okay, this one, this as you are talking, this one or this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I get it.
This is the continuous. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir. Yes,
whatever
sir.
the value is. So carrier concentrations, you know the probability of finding the electrons at a particular energy level. Fine. Now, we need to know the carrier concentrations in the semiconductors at thermal equilibrium. Why we need the carrier concentrations? Because to get the idea or knowledge of the semiconductor properties, okay, like electrical properties, if you particularly you want to know the semiconductor electrical properties, then we need to know the number of charge carriers over carrier concentrations, okay, of that materials. So that's why first questions, what is the carrier concentrations at thermal equilibrium of your semiconductors? Okay. So as you know that that electron here, the electrons are there because this is the conduction band and this is the valence band. At thermal equilibrium, some electrons will jump over to the conduction band, and the holes will be created. So these are the holes, if I say, and these are the electrons in the conduction band. Okay. So at the top of the valence band, you have the holes, and the bottom of the conduction band, you have the electrons at thermal equilibrium. Okay. So this is
Sir,
the, yeah,
sir, can you please increase the size of cursor?
size of cursor.
Yes, sir.
Let me check how. because I have not done it.
Yes.
Where I go? This is the pen option. Then do you know how to do it?
Yes, sir. If you choose the highlighter, it will be slightly thicker than the pen, I guess.
Highlighter.
Okay, okay. Where we can change the highlighter color.
You can change the color also.
Let me check. Let me check.
Sir, in the left corner, left corner.
Pointer option, pen highlighter, but it is yellow color.
Change the ink color.
The ink color.
Thank you, thank you. Okay.
Yes, sir, it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay, sir.
Thank you, thank you. So if you, so that's why we need to know the carrier concentrations of thermal at thermal equilibrium. So that means our questions is how many electrons and holes are in these bands. Okay, so you have the thermal equilibrium. Now electrons are here in this conduction band. Okay, here, and holes are here. We already shown these holes are there. So how many electrons and holes are there in this band? That we need to know. Okay, so for that, uh, you how to calculate that I will skip, but I'll show the basic knowledge how to calculate. Okay, so this is the number of electrons at a particular E, energy E is the number of available quantum states. So what is the number of available quantum states in a particular energy here? Okay, this one, and probability that state is filled. Okay, so number of electrons at a particular energy E.
Number of available quantum state, what does that mean actually? Available quantum states.
Because when you have the band formations, suppose single atom is there, okay, discrete energy level is there, available energy level, okay. So now lot of atoms you are considering, so you have the band formation like this, okay.
Sir, the hash sign means percentage.
Number.
Okay, sir.
Number of available quantum states that is given by this.
So quantum states means like 1s, 2s orbital, 2p orbital like this.
This is okay. The discrete energy level, you have the concept? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So discrete
Sir, what is
energy,
probability state of E field?
I'm telling. So discrete energy level is here. Okay. So if you have the discrete energy level and the band is formed due to the number of atoms are increased. Suppose silicon
sir.
has single atom, so single discrete energy level. Okay. Now we have the band formation here, as I discussed in the previous class. Okay. So now what is the available states here? Because suppose I am increasing the temperature, so electrons are jumping from conduction band to the valence band. Okay. If one energy level is filled, then that is not available. So when next energy level is empty, then electrons will jump over there. So that is the number of available quantum states where the electron will jump from the valence band.
Sir, your
conduction
video is not visible.
Sorry, my video is off. Okay.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
it's fine.
It's fine, sir.
And number as probability state at E is filled. That means that is the Fermi-Dirac distribution function where the electron is filled, probability of finding the electron. Okay. So if you have the probability of finding the electron and the number of available quantum states where the electron may be filled, so that will give you the number of electrons at particular energy E. Okay. Now,
Sir,
I
one
am we are
also
Sir, so basically, available quantum states are basically that energy level of the conduction band where the electrons have gone after the
Electrons will go on here.
excitation.
Okay. So number of electrons, there is some equations that is out of syllabus. I will not discuss here. So how the final expression comes, that I am showing. So number of available quantum states and the Fermi-Dirac distribution function, that is the number of probability of finding up that electron at particular that energy. So if you multiply, then you will have the number of electrons at that energy. Okay. Now, what is the question? Question is the number of electrons in the band. Because this is the energy level, particular energy level I am considering. But when we consider the band here, this band, okay, so it will integrate bottom of the band to the top of the band, GE, FE with energy DE. Okay. So if you have this G already, the mathematical expression is there. Fermi-Dirac distribution is available. Okay, and if you integrate from bottom to top band, then you will have the number of electrons in the band. That final expression, I don't know whether you have seen in the class 12, is the N0 is equal to NC e to the power minus EC minus EF by KBT. KB is the Boltzmann's constant. EC is the conduction band minimum. Here, this one, EF is the Fermi level position. Okay, and KB by T. T is the absolute temperature. NC is the density of states, available states in the conduction band, as C is written due to the conduction band. So from this one, you can get the number of carriers or carrier concentrations in the conduction band, that is N0 is equal to NC to the minus EC by KT. So whatever the electrons are here, okay, so this is given by this expression. So number of electrons or carrier number of electrons per unit centimeter cube per cubic. Okay, NC is equal to EC minus KT, where NC is given by this 2 pi mn.
Sir, what EF represent?
EF is the Fermi level position, Fermi level of the semiconductors.
So what is NC?
Some noise is coming from where I do.
Sir, one doubt, sir, in the previous slide,
KB is Boltzmann constant, sir. KB.
KB is the Boltzmann's constant. I am telling Mn is the Mn effective. This is the effective mass of the electrons. N it denotes here electrons. Okay, N0 is the carrier concentration, means electron concentration. I am talking about N0 is the electron concentrations. Okay, so N0 is electron concentration. Okay, and NC is the density of states available in the conduction band. KB is the Boltzmann constant. EC is the conduction band energy level, EC. And EF is the Fermi level, T is the absolute temperature. Where in this term, Mn effective, the effective mass of the electrons, H is the Planck's constant, KB is the Boltzmann constant. Okay. Similarly, if you have, then what is the question? My question is, what is the number of holes in band? How you will calculate them?
NO minus NE.
NE dot NH बराबर NI square.
No.
We don't know NI.
Starting
that's
J to 1 minus Fe.
that is there in the conduction band, the same only, no?
yes,
Because
KE in some
B
one minus one minus
Minus
Fe.
okay. The probability of finding of the holes is 1 minus Fe,
Yep.
the available states,
So some
or number
disturbances.
of quantum states in the valence band. Okay. So similarly,
Sir,
same
there is one doubt
equation.
in this
Just
integral formula for 1 minute,
Sir,
sir. So
but
doubt is there.
so it
Sir,
will
in the
give us the value of the sum of the energies of all the holes present, I guess so.
sorry.
Sir, because we're integrating it with dE, so it will give us the sum of all the energies of the holes present.
Up to this, whatever the energy level is there in the conduction band, from EC 0 to infinity, 0 to the conduction band, is from starting from EC. If you consider EV, so it is starting from EV for the in the case of holes. Okay. So now what is the findings? Here concentrations were that is given by N0 is equal to Nc to the Ec minus A by kT, and P0 is equal to Nv e to the minus Ef minus Ev by kBt. Nv is the available states in the valence band, and Ev is the valence band maxima. This one, Ef is the Fermi level positions. Other terms already I have told. Okay. So these are the two equations: number of electrons or carrier concentration, that is electron concentration and hole concentration in the semiconductors. Okay, I am telling here this is the intrinsic semiconductor because there is no any other type of doping, so pure semiconductors where the carriers are thermally generated because we have not applied any bias or anything here, only thermally generated carriers. So these are called the N0, the thermally generated electrons, and P0 is the thermally generated holes. So N0 is the electron concentrations, and P0 is the hole concentrations. Okay, where you will find the electron concentration here and hole concentration in this region. So this is the carrier concentration at
Sir, but
intrinsic
in
semiconductor.
Fermi-Dirac distribution, sir, the it will be by one, I guess one plus that one will be there below denominators.
Where
So then why in the expression of the intrinsic electron concentration or NO, why is it given in like that, like Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics?
yeah, there is some approximation is here. It is given in the your during the derivations
ওটাদের
of the number
ইলেকট্রিক্যাল
of
টেকনোলজি
electrons in
ক্লাস
the
আছে
band. So this one,
12টা এখন
some one approximation is given the Maxwell-Boltzmann constant. That's why you are getting. Okay.
Sir, what is the
Okay,
meaning
sir.
of MP? Mass of positive hole. Effective mass of positive hole.
So these are the effective mass of electrons and effective mass of holes. Okay. Now, in in the intrinsic semiconductor, what we have that whatever the electrons are jumping from conduction valence band to the conduction band, so holes are generated. So thermally generated carriers are equal. So we can say that P0 and is equal to N0 because these are the thermally generated carriers, electron and hole pairs. Okay. So that's equal to P0. Already you know this concept. I think in your class 12 study. So from there, if you know the N0 and P0, all the equation is there, and if you do this,
EC plus EF is
if you solve this, okay, the EF, the Fermi level, you will find your Fermi level intrinsic, I for intrinsic, okay, and Fermi level is E mid gap plus this some value, this one, okay.
Sir, mid gap means energy of band gap.
sir,
No,
that is for I guess extrinsic semiconductor.
no, this is if you just you solve this, you
Sir,
will find
for
this one.
intrinsic it is the mid gap and I guess.
I am telling, that's why just let me conclude this one, okay. EF is equal to E mid gap. What you know that yes, that is the in between, in the mid gap between the conduction and valence band in for intrinsic semiconductor. That I am going to conclude. Okay. You see, this is the equations because in the class 12, this term it is not mentioned. Yeah, you know only the EF is equal to E mid gap. Okay. Why? But final is you intrinsic semiconductor E mid gap plus some value are coming. Okay.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে খেতে
This
পারলে তো,
value
এটাই
is
তো মেন
small,
প্রবলেম।
so you can neglect. That's why
একবার
you
জিজ্ঞেস করবে তো।
that Fermi level positions in the intrinsic semiconductor.
কতবার দিনে 3 বার করে করছি গার্গেল।
Okay.
তোমার যে গার্গেল করো ভালো লাগছে না। এই ঠান্ডা এবার গার্গেল করতে উঠবো, থুতু ফেলতে উঠবো, সবসময় উঠতে ভালো লাগে।
What is E mid gap is
আরে কমেছে
band gap.
Not
বাট ওই লাগছে না।
the position of the mid gap in between the conduction band and balance.
তুমি তো খিড়কিড়ি করছো।
Okay, sir.
Band gap is EC minus EV. Okay. So band gap means the
And
difference
this is EC
from
plus
conduction
EV by
minus.
T.
Okay. Mid gap is the position between the mid position between the conduction band and valence band. So this is the mid gap. Okay. So carrier concentrations we know in the intrinsic semiconductor. Okay.
Sir, after simplifying this equation, PO equal to NO, we get the final equation which is highlighted in yellow color.
Yeah.
And sir, do we have to do numericals based on these equations in our exams?
Yeah.
You have to memorize all.
Yes. What memorize? This equation you need to memorize.
Okay, sir.
Everyone.
If you know these two, okay, then you can get the you can get the N0 P0 and solve the EFI. Okay. You have memorized lot of equations, lot of things in class 12, no? To crack the J.
Yes, sir.
To crack the JE.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is a very
Sir, what is this NP
Sir,
effective?
capital NC is what? Can you please repeat? I couldn't understand capital NC.
NC is the density of available states in the conduction band. NV is the density of available states in valence band.
Sir, which book to follow, sir, for that?
Sir, why would I write PO equal to NO?
Because in the intrinsic semiconductor, how the electrons and holes are generated. If you know that the valence band are filled with the electrons, okay, when at the room temperature, they will get the thermal energy and it will jump from valence band to the conduction band. So as a result, the holes will be generated in the valence band and the conduction band, you will have the electrons. Okay. So what we are doing here, N0, that is the electron concentration at conduction band, and P0 is the hole concentration at the valence band. So these are the thermally generated carriers. Okay, so that's why N0 and P0 are equal in the intrinsic semiconductor.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So I'm still unclear as to what the states mean in this context. States, quantum states of the.
Quantum states.
Yes, sir.
As I told, this is the if you know the quantum, because I will not go through the quantum mechanics basic things here. Okay, just you get the idea here that if you have the single atom, you will have the discrete energy levels. Okay, so this and the band will form when the large number of atoms, because you are doing the material system. There will be a large number of atoms are there, then band will be formed. Okay. And from the Pauli exclusion principle, electrons will be filled according to in this energy level. Okay. So what are the available states? If there is no available states, whether suppose some states are filled, if I say, then that there is no available state. So electrons, how electrons will move there? So if they have the available states and probability of the finding the electrons at that energy is filled, then you will get only the number of electrons at E. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you to get the expressions of the Ni means if you know the N0 is equal to P0, as you know for intrinsic semiconductor, we can say N0 is equal to P0 is to Ni. Okay. So intrinsic area concentrations. Okay. So Ni square, so that nothing but Ni square is equal to N0 P0. Okay. And if you put those equations for P0 and N0 in the previous slides, what we have shown, if you put this and do the simplifications, and you will have these expressions. Okay, Ni square is equal to.
Sir, what is N0? Sir, what is Ni, sir? Please, can you repeat? What is Ni?
N0 is the carrier concentration of electrons in the intrinsic semiconductors. P0 is the whole concentrations. So if N0 is equal to P0 is equal to just Ni for intrinsic carrier concentration.
Okay, sir.
And we are considering the intrinsic semiconductor here so far. Okay, so this is the intrinsic carrier concentration Ni. Okay. So
Sir, N0 equal to P0 is only valid for intrinsic semiconductor.
I will show the for top semiconductor as well. Then we can conclude what. Okay.
The Eg is the electron mid gap.
G is the G is the band gap of the semiconductor. Okay. So this EB minus EC basically there is the band gap. So your final expressions of Ni concentration. Okay, it's square root of NC and ABT. Okay, so from here, what we can observe that it depends on which factor. One is band gap,
chemistry.
okay, this Ni, and second is the temperature.
2 বছর না 1 বছর পরে পেয়েছি।
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, NC and NV are constant.
হ্যাঁ
NC and B are constant.
IOCL
NC and B
IOCL
the expressions here you see.
ONGC যেমন IOCL only
If temperature change then NC
গভর্নমেন্ট বলা হবে না 50-60 only
Sir, we get the expressions of N0 and P0 from Arrhenius
আমি
equation.
বাবাকে শোনাতে হতো বাবা বলে ফাইনালে হোক
not RNA.
আর খেলে সারাদিন খেলবে আরে সে তো আমরাও পড়াশোনা করি কোন স্যার আরে দূর কিছু ক্লাস হচ্ছে না মুরগির মতো ক্লাস করাচ্ছে আগে দেখো বেকার লাগছে এই কিছুক্ষণ আগে ম্যাচটা মানে হেভি হয়েছিল
Can you give one example, sir?
I will not repeat again.
Sir, which book to follow, sir?
Which broke? Today I will upload the syllabus and book. Okay.
Okay.
স্যার নিজে অর্ধেক লোকে পাচ্ছে না ওর জন্য আমি কোশ্চেন
So
করতে ইচ্ছা
intrinsic area
এটা কি করবো
depends on the band gap as well as temperature. Okay.
বলে কি হবে আমার বই আছে অনলাইন আছে ওখানে পড়ে নেবো
Intrinsic area concentration for silicon and for germanium is the same. Is the intrinsic area concentration for silicon and germanium same?
No, sir. No, sir.
আমাদের প্যাকেজে 15 লাখ টাকা
No, sir.
Because the
8 লাখ মনে হবে না
so that means for different semiconductors, intrinsic area concentration, that means thermally generated carriers, electrons or holes, for different semiconductors have different concentrations. Okay, if you have the high band gap material,
আমি তো বলছি এত চাপ দেয় না মানে আইওসিএল এ তুমি ভাবো ওই ভালো মাইনে সত্যি মাইনে বাট চাপ মানে তুমি যেমন হয় না ওই কোম্পানিতে ঘরের কাজ বাইরের কাজ সব একসঙ্গে হয়নি
intrinsic area concentration.
আমি হয়তো যদি আমারও কিছু না পাই করবো তাহলে দেবো পরে
Germanium has less band gap.
তাই কি ওটাও সরকারি ওটা খারাপ না যে সরকারি নয় বলে
So and also temperature, if you have the
হ্যাঁ
if you
বিএসসি
take
স্টুডেন্ট
the
পেয়েছে আমার
solution,
সন্দেহ হচ্ছে কি
same
আমার
quantum
সন্দেহ হচ্ছে
magnitude, but
বিএসসি
you are
স্টুডেন্ট ওর
changing the
মতো মানে পেলেও
temperature. From
আমাদের
room
বিশ্বাস হচ্ছে না
temperature to you are going to a higher
শুনলাম বাট আমার
temperature.
বিশ্বাস হচ্ছে
In that case,
এটাই
NI,
হতে
the
পারে কল
thermal
লেটার
rate of
এসছে বলছে
Fourier
কল লেটার এসছে
transformation
বাট
will
হতে পারে ইন্টারভিউ
increase.
কল ইন্টারভিউ নেয়
But
কিন্তু
for the room
ঠিক আছে
temperature
ইন্টারভিউ
value,
ছাড়া কেউ চাকরি
if
বলে
you
বুঝতে
increase
হবে
the high
ইন্টারভিউ সবাইকে নেয়
temperature,
ওদের পিএইচডি বা মাস্টার্সের স্টুডেন্ট না আমার বিটেকের
if you
ইন্টারভিউ হতে হবে না
increase the temperature of your
এমটেক পিএইচডি
semiconductor,
নেয় না
then the
ডাইরেক্ট
thermal
ইন্টারভিউতে রাখে
rate will be higher.
সুবিধা কিছু না ওদের আরো ফাটে ইন্টারভিউতে সারা বলতে না পারলে আরো পেপার লিখতে না পারলে তাও ভয় নেই ইন্টারভিউ বলতে না পারলে ভয় লাগে প্রচুর এখানে 45 মিনিট বিটেক দেন না ইন্টারভিউ ঠিক আছে আর যদি তুমি এমটেক হও 1 ঘন্টা 45 মিনিট
Value of Ni for silicon,
হ্যাঁ তাহলে হবে না
1.5 into 10 to the power 10.
যেমনি ইন্টারভিউতে কত নাম্বার থাকে 200 নাম্বার থাকে
Number per
বিটেকে
centimeter cube.
না একটা কাট অফ থাকে ওর কম পেলে হবে না সবেরই কাট অফ রিটার্নের কাট অফ থাকে
Your intrinsic area concentration
হ্যাঁ সে তো এক করে হয়ে যাবে
here.
হ্যাঁ
Okay, 1.5 into 10 to the power 10 or centimeter cube at
ওই যে একটা ছেলে বার বার করছে বার পুরো খোঁজ হবে রিসার্চে ঠিক আছে মানে ওখানে অ্যাটম বম বানানো হয় ঠিক আছে তো মেকানিক্যালের ছেলে গেছিল সেই ছেলেটা কাছে যে ছেলেটা কোয়ালিফাই করেছে সেই ছেলেটার নাম্বার একটা ছেলে গেছিল তার থেকে কম ছিল মানে সে রিটেনে কম পেয়েছিল যে মানে যে কোয়ালিফাই করেছে বাট সে ইন্টারভিউতে ভালো করেছে আর যে ছেলেটা রিটেনে ভালো করেছে ইন্টারভিউতে মানে কাট অফ ক্লিয়ার করতে পারেনি বলে তার বললো না এটা হয়ে গেল সে মানে ভাবো এ 200 পেয়েছিল আর ও রিটেন পেয়ে 350 তাও কোয়ালিফাই জানি ওর কাট অফ ক্লিয়ার হয়
That is called the extrinsic semiconductor. Okay. So extrinsic or doped semiconductor, what is the need? Why we need the doped semiconductors? You have read again p-type and n-type semiconductors?
এই যে ওরা চাকরি হচ্ছে না এটা হলো হচ্ছে ভাই এগুলো আলাদা ফালতু কথা
To increase the
to have better conductivity, sir.
আরে এ তো এর কোনো জবও করে এর কোনো এক্সপেরিয়েন্সও নেই নতুন আমি বলেছিলাম না আইওসিএল ওরা এক্সপেরিয়েন্স চায় না ওরা ফ্রেশার ক্যান্ডিডেট চায়
To increase the conductivity, as you
2 বছরে পেয়েছে
increase the conductivity, we need the doped semiconductors. So
মেন কথা এক বছরই বলা যায় কেন কি এক বছর ধরে রেজাল্টে আসতে সময় লাগে
silicon is 1.5
কিছু পড়া হচ্ছে না ওই গ্যাং গ্যাং করছে নিজে মাথায় গিয়ে ঢুকছে না বন্ধ তাদের মাথায় ঢুকছে না তার লেগে উড়ে চলে যাচ্ছে উল্টা পাল্টা পড়ে যাচ্ছে
looking for in active devices. So whatever the PN junction, semi BJT, or any MOSFET, CMOS, whatever the electronics we are using in the IC fabrications or IC chip. So intrinsic this carrier 1.5 into 10 to the 10 for silicon is not sufficient for active device or active properties of the device. So that's why that means intrinsic semiconductor will not use any active devices. So that's why your doping is required. That means you have to increase this number of carriers by any means. That is the concept of doping. So by means of doping, we can increase this Ni value. That is the 1.5 10 to the 10. It is not sufficient. We have to increase this area concentration. So other way, that means you as you
না আগে এমনি গরম জল কিছু হচ্ছে না
need to
গরম জল লেবুর সঙ্গে একটু
basic things.
লেবুর সঙ্গে খাবো
Increase the carrier concentration.
কিছু অসুবিধা হবে তুমি দাও
Doping. That will give you the doped semiconductor. That I
খালি
will discuss.
মুখেই খেতে বলে তো আমরা তো মুখ ব্রাশ করে খাই
Sir, is there any formula for mid gap energy?
Sorry.
For mid gap energy in the first formula.
Sir, in the last easy by 2 can be replaced by mid gap.
This one. This is the position. This is the
Yes, sir.
position.
Mid gap energy.
Mid gap is the position. Position. That is the position.
Yes, sir, but how to find it out?
How to find it out? Suppose
Average of
suppose this is my 6 electron volts in conduction band from 0 scale. Okay. And this is support my 4 electron volt EV. Okay. So what is this means? That means my scale is 0. Suppose my scale is here. So 0 to 4 electron volt here, 6 electron volt is here. Okay. The band gap is what? No, sorry. The band gap is 2 electron volt. Yeah.
Yes.
6 electron minus
Yes, sir.
4 electron. But when I am talking about the mid gap, that is the position. What is this
5
position
electron volt.
5 electron volt. This is the mid gap. Okay. Position of the mid gap I am talking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, we can call.
Yes,
We
sir.
can
Yes.
They are
ইনি পড়ার
previous
আমাকে
class
কি
PDF
দেখো
and this
কোয়ালিফিকেশন
class
দেখো
like
বিএসসি
Yeah, I will see.
বিএসসি অনার্স ম্যাথামেটিক্স
Sir, what
ইউনিভার্সিটি
does
অফ
EFI
কল্যাণী
denote?
ঠিক আছে তারপরে এমএসসি কল্যাণী
In
পিএইচডি কল্যাণী
physics semiconductor.
কল্যাণ মানে যে কল্যাণ তো তোরা বেঙ্গলে যে কল্যাণী
হ্যাঁ ওটা একটা যে সরকারি মানে এমনি বিএসসি করে না কল্যাণী বিএসসি তাই ভাবো তাই এখানে ফ্যাকাল্টি মোটামুটি 2 লাখের উপরে মাইনে কিচ্ছু নাই তাই একদম মাইনা আমরা
The book also if you can.
I will share the name of the books.
একটু টাইম লেগেছে বাট 2 লাখ টাকা কম অ্যামাউন্ট হয় না ওদের টাইম ওদের তো 5 বছরে এমটেক শেষ মানে এমএসসি শেষ
Bye, sir.
thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
They are already gone.